Hi, hello, welcome to my Maths Guru channel. Next exercise 4 I am going to explain. Before going to explain this, first you should know what is the definition of rhombus, what is the formula of area of rhombus. See, find the area of the following rhombus is given now. So first we have to know that definition of rhombus. If all sides of a parallelogram are equal, it is called a rhombus. Okay, now area of rhombus half into d1 into d2. D means diagonals, d1 diagonal and d2 diagonal in the rhombus. Product of diagonals half into half of the product of diagonals, we can say area of rhombus formula. Okay, now exercise 4 first question. See here in the textbook given that d1 means here to here, this corner to this corner to we can take. So 5 plus 5 10, d1. d2 2 plus 2 4, we can add and we can take, that only I took here. d1 is 10, d2 is 4 centimeter. Now area of rhombus half into d1 into d2. Now half into d1 is 10, d2 is 4, okay, centimeter square. Now 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So now remaining value is 5 into 4 centimeter square. 5 4s are 20 centimeter square. Therefore area of this first rhombus is 20 centimeter square. Similar way area of rhombus 2 also we can find out. Here also given 8 centimeter, d2 6 centimeters. Now area of rhombus half into d1 into d2. Now half into, here d1 is 8, d2 is 6 centimeters. We have substituted, and 2 ones are 2 4s are 8. Now remaining value is 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24 centimeter square. Area of second rhombus is 24 centimeter square. In similar way, second question given here. One box is given, in that some values are given, some values we need to find out. In this first box, see here d1 d2 given, area of rhombus we need to find out. That only I took here values. See here d1 12 centimeter, d2 16 centimeter is given. Area of rhombus half into d1 into d2, directly I substituted. So next 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. We can do the cancellation. Now 6 into 16 we can do the multiplication, so you will get the answer 96 centimeter square. Okay, here I took that multiplication, so you can check. And next second part is given, d1 is given, area of rhombus is given. We need to find out the diagonal d2 of the rhombus. See, I took here d1 27 millimeter given, d2 we need to find out, and area of rhombus is 2025 is given. Now you can directly write the formula and you can substitute given values. Area is 2025, half into d1 27 and d2 we don't know, we need to find out that diagonal 2. Okay, now you can take the transpose of 2. So 27 into d2 is equal to 2025 into transpose of division multiplication. Okay, now d2 is equals to this value as it is, write down here. Transpose of multiplication is division. Okay, now d2 is equals to, you can do the multiplication. 2025 with 2 you will get 4050. Then 4050 you can divide with 27. See, here only I did 27 ones are 27, remaining is 13, carried on 5. Now 135, 27 5s are 135 you will get. Here carried on 0 means here you directly you can write the 0. So 27 150s are 4050. So answer is 150 millimeters. So d2 150 millimeters you can write in the given box. Next third portion is given. See, 150 I wrote here. Now next box, d1 d2 given, we need to find out the area. Now d1 d2 values, here area we need to find out. Now area is equal, area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Now I substituted d1 24, d2 57.6, and this half is then of 1 by 2. Half means 1 by 2. Now you can do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2 12s are 24 into 57.6. Now 12 into 57.6. Okay, now you can multiply. Before going to multiply, better to take this decimal point, remove it, and to take down 10 denominator. Okay, now you can multiply. So you will get 6912 divided by 10 as it is. Now you can write the decimal point one digit after. So from right side onwards, one digit after you can place the decimal point. So area of rhombus is 691.2 centimeters. Here meter square we should write. Why? Because units here meters is given. Okay, this is the area of rhombus. Like this we need to find out. Dear viewers, if you are watching first time, please do subscribe my channel, like, share and give comment on my videos. Thank you.